Hi. Now that you have completed all of lessons 1 through 6 and you've taken the test, you've gotten everything checked, it's like, okay, now what? So in Google Classroom, click on the classwork section and scroll down under essay writing, and there's literally a link that says done, now what? And that's where you should have accessed this video. The now what is, okay, you have your spool of intro conclusion made, you have your flea map that you've gotten checked, and this is all for the prompt that was under lesson 2. So now you need to type a draft. And don't be freaked out by that. You've done the hard work. The hard work is the planning and the preparation and the organization. So as you click on where it says Q1 essay number 1 draft, there's some directions right here, which are always also on the document. So if you click on the document, it should open up with your name on it, and that's where you compose your draft. Just so I know you've heard it from me, I'm going to read it to you. This is where you will type the draft of your essay. The prompt is from lesson 2, the one you chose to compose a thesis, and it was either the challenge facing students and how to overcome it, or a skill you have, how you developed it and how you use it, or why budgeting time is important. Those were your 3 choices. The introduction and conclusion spool should be done already. The flea map should be done already. That was lesson 6. Now, just use those pre-writing tools to compose a draft of your essay. So your introduction you type first, and then from your flea map, your first big paragraph, second big paragraph, third big paragraph if you had 3, and then your conclusion from the spool. Make sure you indent your paragraphs. To do that, you just hit the Tab key, and it will indent just like that. So you'll click Enter and then Tab. Indent your paragraphs. Edit as you write. If it's underlined like this, it's a spell check thing. You can correct it, or you're like, well, no, I'm right because this is an acronym. Go back and revise anything that's not working. If you realize that all of your paragraph is like one giant sentence, something's not working. You absolutely can do this. You've done the planning, now you just need to type it. Plan ahead and then write. Please do not change the font, the color, the size, or anything else regarding formatting. See Mrs. Childress if you need help. Erase this message and the one above it in order to start your draft. So you can just highlight it, hit backspace, and erase the whole thing whenever you're ready, and make sure you indent your paragraphs. I don't know what else to say other than you are fully capable of doing this. If you've done the planning and the prep work, this should seem kind of like the easy part. When you feel good about it, maybe show me, show a friend. You can work together on editing or revising, and when you feel really good, you turn it in. So take your time, make it flow, add specifics, ask questions if you need help.